Welcome back to docmaster.legal tutorials. For your information, docmaster.legal is an innovative tech solution for legal professionals in India, which has 12 plus features which includes problem info, drafting, judgment search, online filing, 360-degree organizer, billing and payments, list of events, etc. The topic for today's tutorial video is problem info. I will help you understand and guide you with the step-by-step functionality of this feature to be used. Guide you about step-by-step functionality of the feature, which will give you the clarity about how to use it. So moving ahead, we need to first understand what is problem info. Problem info is basically client information capturing. It helps you understand the client's problem with few questions, get answers with available remedies, acts and sections, pecuniary and territorial jurisdictions, and court fees. Let's explore the functionality of it. Now you can see on the problem info screen, there are multiple titles of cases listed. These are various nature of cases such as commercial disputes, matrimonial disputes, check bounce cases, property disputes, etc. So for today's demonstration and explanation, I will take the check bounce case. When we click on arrow, we come to a page where a predefined set of questions appear. Now while talking to your client, you need to answer these questions and let's see what happens. It first asks nature of drawer. A drawer can be individual, company, or a partnership. Now it says drawer of check and the borrower are same or different. If we click on different, it will ask about the authority for issuing check, whether a guarantor or a representative. I chose same. The next question is reason for dishonor. Now all the possible reasons for dishonor of check has been listed over here. You need to select an option as per your client's information. I selected insufficient funds. Now, what was the reason for receiving the check? Again, there are multiple reasons listed over here. Make a selection accordingly. I selected repayment of loan. Now, it asks that evidence supports the consent of drawer for repayment of your liability. Now, what evidences are available with your client to support the informations? Now, evidences can be written, digital, circumstantial, or oral. I selected written. Now, there are few written evidences listed over here, such as agreement, promissory note, letters, etc. If you think your type of written evidence is not listed over here, select any other and type the name of the evidence. So now I'm making a selection that is agreement. Moving ahead, the next question comes receipt date of return memo. When did your client receive the return memo? Select the date for it. Now return memo dealing branch address. Inserted the address. Now you need to insert the value of the check. After that, it says legal notice sent, yes or no. If the legal notice has been sent, click on yes. If not, click on no. When I select yes, it asks mediation initiated or not. I made a selection no. Now after inserting all these information, click on submit. On submitting the informations, you will see that whatever information you have inserted has been listed over here in pointers. Below that, you can see all the probable remedies along with its acts and sections, territorial jurisdictions, limitations, procedural aspects have been listed over here. You can see there are multiple remedies which are listed, which can help you and your client to decide which way to go or which process or proceeding to be taken. You can see that all the informations inserted by you on the previous page has been listed over here. In addition to that, the probable remedies based on the inputs given by your client, along with its acts and section, territorial jurisdiction, limitation, procedural aspects have been also listed. You have multiple probable remedies listed over here to choose. Now, in case if you need a detailed explanation or clarity on any of the sections given over here, you just need to click on the section and you will be redirected to a page with detailed information about the particular section. This helps in your knowledge enhancement too. Coming back to the same problem info, here there is another option of generating the same information using AI. So when we click on generate using AI, you can see there is another output with acts and sections, relevant jurisdictions, and other informations related to the inputs given by your client. Now it's your choice. You want to go ahead with which information. On clicking on confirm,